Hey, fabric friends, and good morning. So, we thought we would take a couple of seconds this morning and show you how to navigate our website. So, if you are not familiar with the fact that Creative Passions Retreat Center and Quilt Shop has a website, here it is, ladies and gentlemen, www.creativepasionsllc.com. You will notice once you get here that we do have a little bit of construction going on the website as we're making changes, trying to make it easier for you to navigate. So once you get to our website, if you scroll down, you'll see right here this purple button is to go to our online store. The green button will take you to the retreat side of things. So we're going to start in the retreat side, just show you a few things. We get asked all the time, what is your availability? So if you come to the retreat side and hit on availability, it's going to bring up our weekday retreats. We do categorize these as weekday retreats at CP1, 2, 2B, 3, and 3B, weekend retreats, and then again our available weekday retreats at the retreat center as well as weekend retreats at the retreat center. If you come down here, reservations by group name. So if you are a group contact and you're not sure if you have put out or if you have a date coming up, right here is where you're going to go to find out that information. So if you were to click on CP3, you'll see that our 2022 calendar is available as well as our 2023 calendar. So this is where you would find, do I in fact have something booked for 2023? And you can see that CP3 is completely booked. Not much left available in 2023. So that would be how you would search to find out if you are in fact have an upcoming reservation. If we go over here, you'll see we have our classes at the retreat center. So what is being offered in 2022 and we're working on 2023. I do know for a fact that that one is part of the thing that is under construction right this moment, so we won't click on that, but we'll go to long arm services. We do offer long arm services. We have that here at the quilt shop on our second floor. And here are just some of the information that you would need if you're going to be bringing a quilt to us, as well as the form and information that you might want for us or to fill out to bring to us when you're doing the long arm. Now let's take a look at the shop. So if you hit that home button, it's going to bring you back here. Click on the purple. That is our online store. And you'll notice here are our hours, our phone number, and the email. So when emailing, if you have a quilt shop question, this is the email you use for the quilt shop. Retreat side has a different email address as well as phone number. So right here is all of the information that pertains to the quilt shop. And you'll notice here is our Creative Passions merchandise. And then here are quilting supplies. So if you click on that button, you'll see what we have in the clearance shop. You can search specifically panels. Here are the patterns. There's Craftsman, our #1 selling pattern. And so you can click on these tabs and it'll take you into this section and you can order. We do offer curbside pickup, so you can pull up out front. One of us will run it out. We do have where we will get your order ready, put it at the front counter, and you can simply come in and pick it up. Or for those of you who are too far away, you can in fact have it shipped to your home. So if you're looking for the Kasuri pre-cuts for batiks, simply click on that, add them to the cart, and right up here is where you would view cart and continue with your checkout. So for those of you who weren't familiar, absolutely shop our online store. We also have our Etsy store, which is available to you. You'll notice on our store, we do not have our fat quarter bundles. There's unfortunately no way for us to put the fat quarter bundles on the website. However, if you shop uh, our Etsy site, we do in fact sell our fat quarter bundles on there, as well as some of our pre-cuts. Now, yardage is not available at the Etsy store, but the #1 seller for us is those fat quarters. And again, you can purchase those on Etsy. So that's just a brief overview of the website. So please join us there if there's something you're looking for, if you have a question about an upcoming retreat, or just want to see what's in the store because you haven't had a chance to get in. That's where you're going to go. Again, www.creativepassions.llc.com. Have a wonderful day, everybody. Enjoy the sun while we have it.